Hey, it's Chris
and Sam.
So we are here to talk to you about
Life
and the dangers of owning a pool table.
What are the dangers? Well, I've already broken 2. I know that.
Pool tables?
Yeah.
This is new?
No, this one's not new. I broke 2 though because we sat on them and dogs jumped on them and we put food on them and it kind of bent them out of shape and such.
Ooh, poor pool table. But another danger is if you're playing pool and you have a ball right here.
Oh,
Let
Lord.
me demonstrate.
She's demonstrating.
If you're like this and you're like, ooh, look, an orange ball. And then someone's like, whack. Oops, wait, hold on. Oh no, it's out of control. And smacks you really hard. That could hurt.
When does that ever happen?
I don't know, but look at this. This is cool.
Look, it looks like a car when it drives by, right?
Here we need another one. Oh no, they collided.
Car accident! Hey.
And that's how it happens.
And that is how what happens. What happens? That's how
Hassan freaks out, of course.
Okay,
Okay, ready?
Well, it's currently 12:50, almost 1 o'clock. Crazy stuff. I got the green ball.
Wait, you missed the orange one. Oh no.
Oh, poop. What am I gonna do?
You wonder that sometimes, don't you?
Sure.
So, we're also going to talk to you about
Human digestive system. Just kidding. Let's not talk about that.
JK.
JK, hello.
Okay, I shall show you something now that you will enjoy.
Oh Lord, what could this be?
Scoot, scoot. You guys love that sound. Your turn.
I can't do that.
No. Watch. Finger and mouth. Blow up air. You're doing it wrong. No. Give me your finger. Open. Now, close your mouth and blow. No. Not blow out, look.
That's really low. It's like an old man voice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Doing that.